Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to share screen with audio in Messenger. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Messenger application in your Android and iOS, and then you need to go into a chat where you basically want to share screen with audio. So right now from here you need to make a video call. Okay, so just tap on this, and now here you can see. Now what here you will do is basically that you need to tap on the three dots here and tap on call settings here, and now tap on audio output. Okay, so it is set to speaker. So if you want to share the device audio, just tap on this. Okay, and now when the call starts, then you can basically share the screen, and then your phone audio will be used as audio input. So that's it tutorial guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.